Hi, my name is Thomas from Emo Engineering, and I'm going to show you how to install the HHS assembly, which is our the strongest Turnlock assembly we have of a tensile strength of 10,000 newtons. So what you need is, first off, a receptacle, which is now already pre-installed, a retaining washer, and the stud. Why do you need a retaining washer? If you install without it, it falls out. And this is the case for almost all our Turnlock assemblies. You always need a retaining washer, otherwise the stud will always fall out. Now you can install it here through the panel, and then you just simply push on the retaining washer. If you have large quantities, for other assemblies we have also an installation tool, which is easier to use than for large quantities. But in this case, you can just push it on with your fingers. Be mindful that you don't hurt your fingers. You just clip it on, and now it doesn't fall out anymore. Afterwards, you can just put the two panels together, you do a quarter turn, and it's closed. Now this is a folding bail handle, which will save you room, but you also have a wing head or an offset wing head, or just with a tool that you can open or close your stud. Thank you. If you have any other questions, you can download our catalog on turnlock.eu.